Good morning, sir. I am Joanna Misaliano and I am the first reporter. So our title is Smart Learn Campus, an IoT-based smart school system. Our title means is about a school system that uses IoT or Internet of Things technology to make the campus smarter, safer, and more efficient. Smart Learn Campus. This refers to a modern type of school environment where technology is used to improve learning, management, and daily school operations. Then IoT based is IoT means device connected to the internet that can collect data, send information, and work automatically. And examples, smart ID scanners, digital attendance systems, temperature sensors, automatic lights, security cameras, and smart classrooms. Then last is smart school system. This means the entire school uses these IoT devices to create a more organized, safe, and convenient learning environment. Our title describes a school that uses Smart Learn Campus devices connected to the internet to automate tasks like attendance, monitoring classrooms, improving safety, and helping teachers and students have a better school experience. Introduction. Smart Learn Campus is a smart school system that uses IoT to make daily school tasks faster and more efficient. Through connected smart devices, the system can automate attendance, monitor classroom conditions, manage energy use, and improve security. As schools become more digital, IoT helps create safer and more comfortable learning environments. Studies show that IoT supports better classroom management, saves time for teachers, and improves student experience. The introduction explains what the Smart Learn Campus is and why it is useful. Naglaong na ang Smart Learn Campus is a smart school system na naggamit ng IoT or Internet of Things to make school tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. With IoT, devices in the school are connected and can work automatically, like taking attendance, checking room temperature, managing electricity, and improving security. Ang main idea kay ang technology can help school become safer, more organized, and more comfortable for students and teachers. Example, taking attendance. Instead, ang teachers mag-manually checking attendance gamit ang paper attendance pag face-to-face, tapos magtawag if present ba or absent ang student. So sa ini, ang students kay itapra kanila ang ila RFID card sa system na nakakabit sa pertahan. Then automatic ma-record na present na zaon sila. Nakadili na ang teacher mahasol pa dili na makuhaan pa ang time pag attendance ba ka o mag desert like example ang teacher is before siya mag-discuss or before siya mag-quiz is mag-attendance honest siya like magtawag kung present ba or absent or di man gani matawag is magpa-attendance sa ihatag attendance kay magpermara dito sa paper attendance. Pero sa zaon sa ini is para madali dakan di masayang ang oras, ang ini na system or na device is amo ini isend na message is classroom temperature high 32 degrees Celsius. Please turn on ventilation. So next is managing electricity. So electric fan turn off automatically when no one is inside the room to save energy. Like example, di ba? So ay gazon while nagklase, di ba, magpa-under ta ng electric fan. Then pag human ng klase, makalimot kita mapayong dili nat mapayong ang electric fan. Makalimutan nato amazon na makasayang ng kuan ng electricity. So ang ini siza na system is or device is automatic na yun siza. Like example, pag white student sa classroom na iyay tao, disa siza mo under. If zait disa siza mo under. If dry ni gan student na suyod sa classroom, automatic makadetect siya ng tao, automatic mo under siya. And then pag luguan na ng mga student, yaanay mga student mga estudyante sa classroom, automatic mapayong na zaon siya ang electric fan, ma-off na siya. Dakan amo sa tagkuan na para makasave ng energy. So next is improving security. IoT helps protect the school by monitoring entry points, detecting unusual activities, and keeping track of people inside the classroom, inside the campus. So, example, ang door sensor sa computer room, nakadetect siya na ang pertahan kay na open without permission. Then, ang system, mag-send dazon siya ng alert sa admin immediately. Then Amazon masendan man ng admin na say alert ng alert sa masendan siya, Amazon automatic makakadto siya sa classroom. Then dito ni mahiba na manaabri man ang pertahan na lakban ini. So Smarter Campus proves that technology can make school life easier, safer, and more organized. Now is the time to use these tools to improve our classrooms and help students and teachers work better. Statement of the problem. So, many schools still use slow and outdated manual methods such as paper-based attendance, unmonitored classroom conditions, and basic security system. This cause efficiency, discomfort, and safety risk. Energy is also wasted because lights and equipment are often left on. Because of these issues, schools need a system that can automate attendance, improve security, monitor classroom environments, and save energy problems that Smart Learn Campus aims to solve. So ang statement of the problem nag-explain siya kung unoy problems ng schools are currently facing and why Smart Learn Campus is needed. Many schools kay still nagamit sila ng manual system like paper attendance, simple security, and no monitoring of classroom conditions. Ini na problems cause slow processes, wasted energy, discomfort, and safety risk. Tungod sa ini na issues, there is a need for a modern system that can automate tasks and improve school operations. So, example, teachers waste time checking attendance manually every day. Then, some classrooms become too hot or too cold because no one monitors the environment. Next is electric fan are left on when the room is empty, wasting electricity. Last is security is limited because there is no automated monitoring. So, since many problems come from using manual system, we need to start improving our school with smart technology. Let's take the step toward using a system that saves time, energy, and keep everyone safe.
Good morning, sir. I am Jonami Almeliana, and I'll be the one who discuss the objectives of the problem. The main goal of this study is to design and test Smart Learn Campus as a smart school system using IoT. The study wants to show how the system can make school life easier and better for students, teachers, and administrators, especially it aims to Number 1. Attendance using RFID. For example, students wear ID cards embedded with RFID chips. When they walk through a reader at the classroom door, the system automatically logs their arrival time in a digital attendance sheet. Teachers can view real-time attendance on their device without calling names. Number 2. Monitor temperature, humidity, and air quality. For example, IoT sensors placed in each classroom track labels of CO2, temperature, and humidity. If CO2 gets too high, indicating poor ventilation, the system sends an alert to the maintenance team to open windows or turn on the first ensure a healthier learning environment. Number 3. Improve security with motion detectors. For example, motion sensors are installed in highways, parking lots, and unused areas after school hours. If movement is detected when the school is closed, the system immediately sends a notification to security staff phones and triggers nearby security cameras to record. Number 4. Reduce energy usage by controlling lights and device. For example, IoT enables lights switched and smart thermostats use occupancy sensors to detect if the classroom is empty. They automatically turn off the lights and adjust the thermostats to a more energy efficient setting, cutting down on electricity bills. Number 5. Help manage resources and make better decisions. For example, the Smart Learns campus system collects data from all IoT devices, attendance, energy use, air quality into a dashboard. Administrators can see which classrooms are most used, identify high energy areas to optimize, and adjust schedules to improve space and resource allocation. By achieving these goals, the study hopes to show that IoT can really help schools become smarter, safer, and more organized.
So good day everyone. Before I start, let me introduce myself. I am Janice E. Ramos. So today we discuss the methodology. So in this study we used the qualitative approach to develop and assess the Smart Learn campus system. So our goal was to understand how different IoT devices can be used in a school settings to improve daily operations. So the systems is made of several key components. So these are the RFID sensors. So for automatic attendance tracking, so these are used for automatic attendance tracking. So students simply tap their RFID cards and their attendance is already recorded. So next is environmental sensors, DH22 and CO2 for monitoring temperature, humidity, and air quality. So these are responsible for measuring temperature, humidity, and air quality inside the campus. So next is the motion detectors for campus security. So these help improve the campus security by detecting the movement in restricted or sensitive areas. So next is microcontrollers, Arduino ESP32 for collecting and processing sensor data. So these small devices collect the data from sensors and processes it. So next is the cloud platform and dashboard for storing data and display real time. So this is where all the data is stored and displayed in real time, making it easy for teachers and administrators to monitor the systems. So that's all for my part. Thank you for listening.
So, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Before I proceed, I will introduce myself. My name is Rini Biliano. So, for the result and findings, the Smart Learn Campus system performed well in simulation. RFID sensors made attendance faster and more accurate. Environmental sensors maintain comfortable classroom condition, and motion detectors improve security, and energy use decreased due to automated control of lights and device. Overall, the system made school operation more efficient, safe, and energy friendly. So, for the result and findings is to improve attendance para less hassle na sa mga teacher if mag-attendance. Igora kan i-tracking gamit ang RFID sensors. So, ang RFID sensors is stand for radio frequency identification. So ang RFID sensors is enhanced security. Motion detectors contribute to campus safety by detecting unusual or unauthorized movements. This could help alert security personnel and prevent potential risk. And for the safety sa campus, makatabang sab ang motion detector, siyaan maghanap if unsay daot, and siyaan mo alerto mag-control sab ini sa mga suga sa electric fan para magbawas nan paggamit nan energy. Like for example, ang mga suga na mo automatic na zone siya og payong ipula na tao. Same ra pud nas electric fan. Like yaon kibali Choy dili mapayong kibali kanis mo automatic na daw siya para less siya sa energy, and para di na siya dagdagnan bayronon mag-help siya sa campus para ang mga waya na payong is automatic mapayong and last more efficient school operation. Overall, the system made school processes smarter, safer, and more energy efficient. This demonstrates that integrating smart technologies can improve daily operation in educational environments. And sa conclusion is smart
So before I proceed to my topic, first let me introduce myself. I am Rufami Bandus. Recommendation. Based on the study, these are the recommendations for school. First, start small. Start small by implementing basic system like automated attendance and monitoring before adding more complex features. Second is train staff. Teachers and school staff should learn to how use the system and handle basic maintenance. Train staff so teachers and school staff know how to use the new systems and handle basic maintenance. Third is secure data. Make sure cybersecurity measures are in a place to protect student and school information. Ensure data security with cybersecurity measures to protect students and school information. Next is use mobile apps. In the future, students and parents can access the system through a mobile app for convenience. So, we need to utilize mobile apps so students and parents can access the system conveniently via smartphones. Next is add AI analytics. Artificial intelligence can help predict trends, detect problems, and make better decisions. And lastly, expand the system. In the future, IoT can be used for libraries, school buses, cafeterias, and personalized learning. And next, let's proceed to the significance of the study. The study highlights how IoT technology through the SmartLane campus system can improve school operations by saving time, enhancing safety, reducing energy use, and creating healthier learning environments. It also provides practical guidance for other schools aiming to adopt smart technology and modernize their campuses. This study shows how important IoT technology in a school. With the help of the SmartLane campus system, various aspects learning can be made easier and more beautiful. It not only saves time and money, but also provides a safer and healthier environment for students and teachers. This study serves as inspirations and guidance for other schools that want to keep with modern technology. Next is the conclusion. IoT integration can be transferred tradition schools and to connected intelligent systems, despite challenges like cost, maintenance, and data privacy, that benefits safer, more efficient, and healthier learning spaces are clear. SmartLane Campus demonstrate how technology can enhance educational management effectively. In short, the conclusions say that despite the problems with using IoT in schools, it still has many positive results. Learning becomes safer, faster, and healthier. SmartLane Campus is an example of how technology can help to make a school run more smoothly.